Hey, hi traders, welcome back to this new video. This is the part 2 for our last video. And in our last video, we discussed about how to use the pin bar and engulfing bar candlesticks as a base candle. Okay, this is the part 1 and this video is the part 2. So I strongly recommend you to watch the part 1 before we watching this video. As we all know that an inside bar pattern is a two candlesticks pattern in which the inside bar is smaller and within the high to low of the previous bar, previous candlestick, right? And the high is lower than the previous bar's high and the low is higher than the previous bar low. And the position can be at the top or middle at the bottom of the first prior to this first candle. The position is not a matter, but it is like the inside bar should be smaller and within the high to low of the first bar. Okay, so the candlesticks before the inside bar is called the mother candle and this is the inside bar. Okay, so you can see this three candlesticks pattern here. All these are inside bars and the mother bar is always followed by a small body which is called inside bar. So this is the mother candle and this is the inside bar, mother candle and inside bar. Okay, so this mother bar is always followed by a small body which is called the inside bar. So this pattern can be bullish or bearish. Okay, it all depends on the market structure. So what matter for us is how to use it as a base candle to draw the supply or demand zone which is happens at the beginning of a big move in the market. Okay, let's first discuss about this bullish inside bar. So the bullish inside bar occurs either with the trend or at the bottom of a downtrend and it is considered as a bullish pattern. So when it happens at the beginning of a strong move, we need to know that how to draw the demand zone correctly using this pattern, because when the market approaches the zone, this demand zone, price will go strongly higher. So normally when we identify this kind of strong move which made by the banks or big financial institutions, we look at the beginning of the move to draw the zone. If the beginning of this move started with a bullish inside bar, we simply draw the distal line at the lower shadow of the mother candle and proximal line at the close of the inside candle. Let me show you how to draw those lines. Okay, these are the two lines. This is the proximal line and this is the distal line. Okay, so the distal line is at the lower shadow of the mother candle and the proximal line at the close of the inside bar. Okay, and this will gives us a demand zone. The demand zone is nothing but this is our demand zone. Alright, this is our demand zone. So this is not complicated, right? All what you have to do is to identify the lower shadow of this mother candle and the close of the inside bar candle to get a correct demand zone. So how you will get the demand zone? By drawing the proximal line and the distal line. So now let us find some real-time examples in the chart. Okay, so this is a Reliance Industries chart on 2 hours time frame. So I will, if you see here, this is a mother candle and this is an inside bar candle, right? So what I said, we have to draw the proximal line on the closing price of the inside bar and the distal line on the lower wick of the mother candle. So this will give us the demand zone. This is our demand zone. So now I think market is coming towards this demand zone and from here there is a high chance and high probability to take the U-turn from here. So we'll see in the future. You will learn in detail how to enter and exit our trades in the future videos. Focus now on how to draw the zones, because drawing the zones correctly will help you to better enter the market in the right time. Okay. So now let us see the bearish inside bar as a base candle. So this bearish inside bar occurs either with the trend or at the top of an uptrend and it is considered as a reversal pattern every time. So when it happens in the beginning of a strong move, I mean whenever you see a big bank orders, it becomes a basing candle and it allows us to draw some supply zone using the distal line and the proxy line. Okay, how we can draw the distal lines and proximal lines here? Let me show you. Wait. Okay, here it is. To draw a supply zone using this bearish inside bar when it is a base candle, we just draw the proximal at the close of the inside bar and the distal line at the upper shadow of the mother bar. But when the inside bar is bullish, then you have to draw the proximal line at the opening of this candle. Opening of that candle means the bullish candle. Okay, so when the inside bar is a red candle, you just consider the closing price as a proximal line. But when the inside bar is a bullish, then you have to consider the opening price as a proximal line. Okay, so let's see some real chart examples. So let us take this Reliance Industries as an example, as a real-time example. And this is a weekly chart here. And this is a mother candle and this is inside bar. Okay. So I have drawn the digital line on the upper wick of this mother candle, and the closing, the lower wick of this inside bar, I have drawn the proximal line and created the supply zone. Okay. We'll see in the future how the price will react here. When you are watching this video, you can refer to this Reliance Industries on this particular date. The date is 21st June. Okay, and also you can see the demand zone as well. If you see the demand zone here, so this will be my digital line, right? And this will be my proxy line. So if market started falling down here, if I see any red candle rejection here, then it may touch until here. It's high chance of market to reach 1900 price. I'm not saying by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow. In a short term, it may reach this 1900 levels again. Okay, because this is the zone, you see the back-to-back green candles are there. So this is a strong demand zone. So this is a strong demand zone. Okay, all right. Hope you understand this concept. And I think that drawing these demand zones or supply zones using this inside bar as basing candle, now it's more clear for you, right? So again, it is your job right now to open your charts and start practicing yourself on drawing and identifying the zones using this mother candle and inside bar patterns. Okay. And in the next video, we will discuss how we can use the piercing pattern as a base candle. Stay tuned.